The garden's looking pretty good. I brought some more flowers that I'm going to be putting in today. Some pink geraniums over there in those vases. So the garden held up pretty well from last week. We did have some rain, so that kind of helped. For this week, they're not calling for any rain at all, so I'm gonna have to really soak it today and tomorrow. I don't know if I will venture into the crawl space and open up the faucet, the outdoor faucet. I feel a little hesitant going in there because of spiders and stuff. I'll think about it. I mean, the lake is right here. I just have to fill up the watering can. It's just time consuming. So I just finished watering with a watering can. So I managed to get this done. I am not too sure about these little footsteps, footprints, whatever. Makes it a little busy. I think the kids will love it. I don't know how sturdy it's going to be because people are going to tend to step on them and they may crack because it's pea gravel underneath. I am absolutely loving this. So really pleased with this. I like those stepping stones. I just don't know how, one, they're going to pan out, and two, whether I want them there. They're kind of cute. The kids will love them, but I'm not sure. I am so happy with how this has turned out. So happy. It's beyond what I expected. So I'm extremely pleased. Yesterday when I arrived, everything was kind of wilted. So I'm a little concerned about how they're gonna look by Friday or Saturday when I get here. I'll have to see when I come up. Maybe I'll come up on the Friday and just pack everything up and come straight from work. So this is pretty early in the morning. I have to get more of these for here. I'm thinking at least one more, possibly two, if I can still find them, because everything is winding down now. But all of these are looking pretty chipper after the watering. Poor things. I'd really like to highlight that rock there because I love it. And this, I want to take this out and I want to wrap it around so that there's more of a curve and it meets the tip of the rock there. And then on that, I love this pea gravel. I may just do this pea gravel and mix it with other size stones. I also have some white just intermingled here and there.